So this is a special population section. What we're looking at here is high blood pressure, lower back pain and shoulder injuries. With regards to high blood pressure or hypertension, that's caused by blood being pumped with more force than normal through the arteries. And this is a major risk factor for heart attack and for strokes. And the blood pressure reading is measured by looking at the systolic and the diastolic measurements. Systolic being the maximum pressure developed by the heart, and the diastolic is the lowest pressure reading between heartbeats. And the normal reading is 140/90, with systolic being the 140 reading and diastolic being the 90 reading. So the exercises we would avoid in the case of a client with hypertension are any vigorous short bursts of exercise, such as boxing or squat, any exercises where the arms are over the head, causing issues there, and anything that's really impacting the anaerobic energy system. We would try to perform moderate exercises, only causing the client to be slightly out of breath, such as brisk walking, cycling, swimming, anything that's the aerobic energy system. With regard to lower back pain, this can be caused by a variety of problems. It could be an irritation of the nerves and muscles pulled in the lower back, or a degeneration of the discs in the lower back. So in this case, we will certainly be looking at avoiding any exercises which will cause jarring, i.e. running on the treadmill, and we would try to look at low impact aerobic exercises, plus a lot of stretching of the hamstrings, which is a factor in lower back pain, and lumbar stabilisation exercises, lots of core exercises to strengthen that whole area. In the case of a shoulder injury, rotator cuff problems are very common, and in this case rotator cuff issues can be developed from repetitive exercises and intensive training routines, and that's an impingement of the tendons of the bursa in the shoulder, and it can also lead to frozen shoulder and a lot of other issues in that regard. So we need to be really careful when we're dealing with any clients that have any shoulder injuries. So we would avoid heavy weights and any exercises involving throwing where there's constant jarring of the shoulder muscles. We would try lightweight exercises or resistance bands to help to strengthen the muscles gradually and prevent, as I said, the frozen shoulder. Thank you.